Hello friends, once again we welcome you on our channel Shipping Inbox. In continuation of bringing an informative stories on shipping and maritime sector. Today we are going to talk about Alang Ship Recycling Yard setting safety standards in South Asian countries. Alang, a coastal town in the Indian state of Gujarat, has long been a hub for shipbreaking activities. It stands out not only as one of the largest shipbreaking yards in the world, but also as a leader in safety practices compared to other shipbreaking yards in South Asia. This story delves into the factors that makes Alang shipbreaking industry safer, examining the initiatives, regulations, and practices that contribute to its superior safety standards. The importance of the safety in ship recycling. Shipbreaking, the process of dismantling decommissioned ships for scrap recycling, is a hazardous occupation. Workers are exposed to risks such as toxic substances like asbestos and heavy metals, fire, explosions, and physical injuries. Inadequate safety measures can lead severe accidents, chronic health problems, and environmental damage. Therefore, implementing robust safety protocols is essential for the well-being of worker and the surrounding communities. Along a historical perspective, Alang's rise as a shipbreaking hub began in early 1980s. Its strategic location along the Gulf of Khambat with its high tidal range made it an ideal site for the grounding and dismantling large vessels. Over the decades, Alang has dismantled thousands of ships, making it cornerstone of the India steel recycling industry. However, the industry's rapid growth also brought attention to safety and environmental concerns, prompting a series of reforms and improvements. Regulatory framework and compliance. One of the key factors contributing to Alang safer ship recycling practices, it is adherence to stringent regulations. The Indian government, in collaboration with the international bodies, has implemented comprehensive guidelines to ensure safety and environmental compliances. The Ship Recycling Code 2013. In 2013, India introduced the Ship Recycling Code, a set of regulations aimed at the improving safety and environmental standards in the shipbreaking industry. The code mandates detailed safety measures, including hazardous identification and risk assessment. Shipbreakers must conduct through assessment to identify potential hazards and implement measures to mitigate them. Occupational health and safety measurements and management. Companies are required to establish and maintain occupational health and safety management systems, ensuring regular training and monitoring of workers. Environmental management. The code emphasizes the proper handling and disposal of hazardous materials, reducing environmental contamination. The Hong Kong International Convention for the Safe and Environmentally Sound Recycling of Ships 2009. Although not yet fully ratified, India has shown commitment to aligning its practices with the Hong Kong Convention. This international treaty, adopted by the International Maritime Organization IMO, set global standards for the safety and environmental sound ship recycling. India's proactive stance in adopting these standards has further bolstered Alang's reputation for safety, infrastructure, and technology advancement. Alang's shipbreaking yard have been significant infrastructure and technology upgrades, enhancing safety measures across the board. Modernization of yards. Investment in modernizing yard have included the construction of impermeable flooring to prevent soil contamination and installing installation of advanced firefighting systems. Additionally, many yards have upgraded their equipment to include cranes, forklifts, and other machineries that reduce the reliance on manual labor, thereby minimizing the risk of physical injuries. Personal protective equipments. The use of personal protective equipments has become mandatory in Alang. Workers are provided with helmets, gloves, safety boots, and respiratory masks to protect against injuries and exposure to hazardous substances. Regular inspection ensures compliance with PPE uses, significantly reducing the incidence of accidents and health issues. Training and capacity building. Training programs have been instrumental in improving safety standards at Alang. Workers receive comprehensive training on safety protocols, emergency response, and the proper handling of hazardous material. These programs are often conducted in collaboration with international organizations and NGOs, bringing global best practices to the local workforce. Environmental considerations. Environmental safety is instinctively linked to worker safety in the shipbreaking industry. Alangs has made notable strides in addressing environmental concerns, which in turn contribute to a safer working environment. Effective management of hazardous waste is crucial in shipbreaking. Alang's yard are equipped with facilities for the safe disposal of toxic substances such as asbestos, lead, and poly, polychlora, polychlorinated biphenyl PCBs. These facilities comply with the international standards, preventing environmental contamination and protecting workers from exposure. Regular monitoring of air and water quality around the shipbreaking yard ensures that pollution levels remains with safe limits. Efforts to control emission from cutting and welding activities have resulted in improved air quality, reducing respiratory problems among the workers. Comparison with other South Asian shipbreaking yards. When compared to other shipbreaking yards in South Asia, such as those in Bangladesh and Pakistan, Alang stands out for its safety measures and regulatory compliances. Bangladesh Bangladesh, particularly the Chittagong shipbreaking yard, has faced criticism for its poor safety record in environmental practices. The industry in Bangladesh has been plagued by frequent accidents, inadequate safety gears, and insufficient regulatory oversight. Although there have been efforts to improve safety standards, the progress has been slow and challenges remains. Pakistan's Gadani shipbreaking yard has struggled with safety and environmental issues. High profile accidents such as the 2016 oil tanker explosion highlighted the urgent needs for reforms. While there have been some initiative to enhance safety, Pakistan's shipbreaking industry still lags behind along in terms of infrastructure, regulatory compliance, and worker training. The role of international collaboration. International collaboration has played vital role elevating along safety standards. Partnership with organizations like International Labour Organization ILO, the IMO, and various NGOs have facilitated knowledge transfer, technology transfer, and funding for safety initiatives. This collaboration have helped Alang adopt global best practices, positioning it as a leader in safe ship recycling challenges and the way forward. Despite its achievement, Alang faces ongoing challenges in maintaining and further improve safety standards. Continuous efforts are needed to address issues such as workers' health monitoring, enforcement of regulation, and adaptation to evolving the international standards. Continuous monitoring and improvement, regular audits and inspections by regulatory authority are essential to ensure compliance with the safety protocols. Continuous monitoring helps identify gaps and areas for improvement, fostering a culture of safety and accountability. Community engagement. Engaging the local community and workers in safety initiative is crucial. Awareness program, health camps, and community-based monitoring can enhance the overall safety culture and ensure that the benefits of safety measures are widely recognized and embraced. Future innovations. Embracing technologies innovations will be key to the future of safe shipbreaking in Ireland. Advances in automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence can further reduce manual labor, minimizing the risk and enhancing efficiency. Alang shipbreaking industry has made remarkable strides in establishing itself a safer alternative to other South Asian shipbreaking yards. Though stringent regulation, infrastructure upgrades, worker training, and international collaboration, Alang has set a benchmark for the safety and environmental standards. While challenges remain, the ongoing commitment to improvement and innovation positions Alang as a model for safe and sustainable shipbreaking in the region. Thank you very much
Thank you
for
very
watching
much
this
for
video. Watching this video till the end. We'll meet you with some another stories on shipping and maritime sector in our next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.